One of the biggest struggle for Outlook users, including myself, is finding that specific email when you really need it. But the good news is new Outlook comes with the powerful search feature, also known as search filter or search operators. So that can make your life a lot easier. So in this video, I will walk you through key search parameters from basic to advanced. So that will help you to find your email in seconds. So master it and not a single email can hide from you. Let's jump on it. So I am using Outlook on the web to demonstrate the result because there is a key difference in the search functionality. Unlike desktop application, Outlook web allow you to search across all folders at once, making it much more efficient from finding emails. If you look at the new Outlook desktop, there is all folders option is not available. That means you need to use individual folders. So let's begin with the first one, which is basic fields. The first and most common category is basic fields, where you search based on who sent the email, who received it, or what it contained. So here are some examples. First, I will click on the search bar. My all folders is already selected. Now I type from and colon. Here I need to enter the name of the person to filter out the emails received. So I type my own name, which is Amit. Hit enter and you can check out on my screen that all the emails which I have received from myself are sorted. The word Amit is also highlighted in all the emails in yellow color. Now the next one is to, again colon. That means here I need to filter out those emails which I have sent to a specific person. So again I type my own name Amit and hit enter. Now you will see few emails again highlighted with my name. Now the next one in the basic field is CC. Again I type CC and colon. Now here you again need to enter the email address of a specific person which you are wondering to find out in CC. So I type my name once again and hit enter. I have no results. That means my name is not in a single email which is in the CC. Now my favorite one is subject. Again colon. Now here this filter will filter out your emails which matches your keyword in the subject. For example, I type progress and hit enter. Now you will see I have 4 emails which consist of this progress keyword in the subject line. You will see daily progress report. Now the next one in this category is body and hit colon. Now here the emails that mention your keyword in the body are about to filter here. So again I type progress, hit enter. Now you will see I have few emails. In every email when you open that email, the word progress is available in the message body. So let's take a random selection. I select this one. Now you will see when I click on it, the email message, this key progress, that word is available in the message body. So that way this basic filter work for you smartly. Now I will give you a pro tip. You can also combine fields to narrow it down even more. For example, I will show you from colon Amit. This is the one I have already showed you, but I want to add filter out emails which received from the person Amit and also the subject. So I type subject as well and hit colon. Now I need to type subject which is progress for instance. Now I have added 2 parameters to filter out my emails. Now that will show me the emails received from Amit with the subject progress in the subject line. I hit enter. Again you will see I have 4 emails received from Amit and the subject line consists of progress. So that way you can use combinations of these parameters to filter out your email. Now the next category is date and time filters. First I will remove this. Now Let's talk about date filters. Super useful. So here are some examples. First, I type received colon. Now here I'll start with the easy one. I type yesterday. Now here I am asking Outlook to filter out the emails which I have received only yesterday and hit enter. Now you will see I have not received any email yesterday. Now to clarify you, I changed this word yesterday to this week. Again, I have not received any email this week in this email address. So now I change it to last month. Now I have clicked my inbox and really I have not received an email from February. Now I will show you with the date range. Again, I type received colon. Now here what I need to do, I have to enter the date. So I enter 1st of January 2025. Now I have to enter 2 dots. Now I type 28th of Feb 2025. So here I am asking Outlook to filter out the emails which come between 1st of January to 28th of February 2025. I hit enter and you will see all the emails which are received in this period, which is the gap of 2 months, are filtered out. If you check out the date, 28th February 2025, the 28th is fall under this date. Again 26th, and you will see on the last one, which is 5th of February 2025. That means in January I have not received any email. So that's another way to filter out emails using dates. Now there is another category I will show you, sent colon. Now here I will press the symbol of this. This means now I need to insert the date here. So first I will type 1st of January 2025. Now the meaning of this expression is I need to filter out emails that was sent after 1st of January 2025. Hit enter. The emails which I have sent after 1st of January 2025 are filtered out here. Now if I change this symbol or reverse this symbol to this, now this means the emails which I have sent before 1st of January 2025. Hit enter and you will see I have sent only one email before January 1st. You will see this email date is 2024, 19th of November. So these are the game changer which you will looking for recent conversation or follow up. Now the next parameter is attachment filters. One of my favorite, finding emails that have files attached. So let's try this. Type has attachments colon yes. Hit enter. You will get all the emails which have attachments. Although you have this option as well in the new Outlook, which is more advanced. If you click has attachments, emails with attachments only are filtered out. If you hit unread as well, the emails which I have not read yet are filtered out. And there are many other options which you can use to filter out your emails. But currently in this video, I am talking about the search bar. What are the expressions you can use to filter out the emails? So after this has attachment yes, the next one is I use only attachments colon report. Now I use to filter out the emails which having attachments with the name of report but in a PDF format. So again I need to enter .pdf here and hit enter. You will see in my case I don't have any email with the attachment of report. So my inbox shown me a 0 email. Next category is flag and categories. These are helpful for people who use Outlook to organize their emails with color codes or follow-ups. So first, I'm sure my inbox does not consist of any email with flag. So I intentionally put a flag with one of my email. So I select this one and hit flag over here. And I hit this email and add flag over here. Now I will show you how to filter out flag emails. So here I need to type is flagged, colon, hit true. Type true and hit enter. Now you will see 3 emails. 2 I have already flagged right now and 1 is already flagged. So these are 3 emails which are filtered out as a flagged emails. Now the next one is category. Again, I need to put a category to some emails. Again, I select this email and put this RDSS category. You will see this RDSS is selected and this blue category is already selected. So here I need to change the impression to category colon. Here I need to type my category. So I have RDSS, I remember it, hit enter, and you will see this category email is 1 and I have filtered it out very easily. Now the next one is read status or importance. Even wish you could just see unread emails only, you simply need to type is read colon no, hit enter, and in seconds you have emails which you have still not opened, which are unread. Similarly, if you want to change it to importance, so I type important colon high. There are 3 categories for important: high, low and normal. So I hit high and hit enter. I have not a single email. I use low, not even in my case. Now the last category is keyword matching or logical operators. This is where things get interested. You can use logic based operators to refine your search even more. So the logic operators which I generally use is and, or and not. For combining or excluding results, you can use these logics. For example, I type from colon Amit, hit space, and I type and. Now here you have to use this and logic word in capital letters, hit space once again, has attachments colon yes, hit enter. Now you will see once again the mails received from Amit and has attachments yes. That means if emails received from Amit but don't have the attachments are also listed over here if I don't use the word and. You can also use quotes for your exact subject word. For example, I use subject colon. Now here I need to use the quote and type project report. Close the quotes, hit enter. Now you will see project report word. In this case, this is taking the entire word because I have put my word in this quotes. If I remove this, I will show you once I remove this, it has also filtered those emails with the word report only. So in my inbox, I have a lot of emails with project report exact word, but one of this email only consists of word report. But once I add the quote in the word project report, now that Outlook will consider project report 2 words as a single word. And when I hit enter, you will see that email will be removed from the inbox. So this gives you full control over your inbox search like a pro. So there you go. These categories of Outlook search filter that will save you time and frustration every day. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Outlook tips like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comment. I will love to help. See you in the next video.